In 2003, 24 countries in sub-Saharan Africa had economic growth rates of 5% or more. But rural Africa remains poor. Growth alone is not sufficient for poverty reduction. Countries must also strengthen the ability of poor people to participate fully in the economy and in society. Given the right tools and a level playing field, the people of Africa have both the capacity and capability to improve their own quality of life and economic well-being. But it is the ability of a country to deliver these tools to disadvantaged communities that will determine how quickly the poverty gap can be bridged. Using an innovative combination of entrepreneurship and social enterprise, Connect Africa delivers information, communication, and public services directly to the people of Africa. This initiative makes a real difference, particularly to the lives of rural people. It bridges the digital divide, it helps slow the outflow of people from rural areas to urban areas, and ultimately, it contributes to reducing poverty. Connect Africa is a franchise network of fully equipped mobile service centers, each of which will visit rural communities on a routine weekly schedule. This network offers multiple services and is a channel by which government and business can efficiently and cost-effectively deliver their own services directly to the people of rural Africa. Some of the business and communication services include, for example, public phones, cellular banking, insurance services, market research for government and the corporate sector, faxing, photocopying, printing, production of CVs, business plans, promotional leaflets, and so on. Education services include repairing, maintaining, and replacing school computer equipment, IT training for both teachers and the local community, as well as internet connectivity and routine data exchange. Health services like medical staff transportation, health information distribution and collection. Agricultural services include access to the latest market data and information on farm produce and livestock production. Entertainment, news, sport, movies, music, art and cultural activities can all be distributed through this network. And then there are government services, like those provided in the South African Proof of Concept. In partnership with the government's Departments of Home Affairs, Social Development, Economic Development, the Labour Office, and Eskom, South Africa's electricity supplier, Connect Africa facilitates the delivery of these department services directly to rural citizens. For example, with Home Affairs, the Mobile Service Centre provides people with information on how to apply for ID documents, birth certificates and the like. It collects and forwards queries or complaints for the department, and it provides department officials with office facilities and transport in the field. Connect Africa provides the channel through which officials from all government departments are able to deliver their respective services directly to the people in the most effective and cost-efficient manner. Connect Africa's Proof of Concept is being run in South Africa in partnership with Limpopo Province's Mogalakwena municipality. Here, 10 carefully selected communities are visited every week by a mobile service centre. 2 communities are visited each day for 3 hours at the same time and at the same place every week. These 10 stops have been carefully chosen to serve as the hub for surrounding communities, thereby ensuring that the optimum number of people will have access to the services provided. The services this network can deliver are virtually limitless. A variety of services can be bundled together to suit the different needs of different communities, and local people will be able to shape the service bundle to meet their own specific requirements. Each service offered by each mobile unit is in turn paid for, either by the service provider or the recipient. This generates multiple revenue streams to ensure that Connect Africa remains financially viable and operationally sustainable. The franchising of each service centre will ensure a sense of local ownership and direct employment opportunities, not to mention the multiple local businesses that can be built around each mobile service centre's weekly visit. Connect Africa's objective is to have a network in 10 African countries by 2015. This is to coincide with the United Nations Millennium Goal of reducing poverty around the world by 50%. To achieve its objective, Connect Africa will be partnering and working closely with governments across Africa, their citizens, the international development community, and with business, both local and international. Africans know what the solutions for Africa are. Connect Africa will provide them with the means.